Did you know that in the US the federal minimum wage has been established at $7.25 per hour over 15 years ago? Obviously, this amount is inadequate to the modern cost of living. So, for example, if you take a 40-hour work week, it approximately equals to $1,300 per month. Probably you cannot survive in the US with $1,300 per month, but in many other countries you can. And today I want to talk about how to make this amount online from home. Now, do I qualify to talk about this? I've been making money online working for myself for more than 10 years. Mostly I'm earning some money from social media with different platforms, monetization, affiliate links, different stuff. And yes, I can say that annually I beat the US minimum wage. Out of curiosity, I asked AI what's the minimum wage in every English-speaking country, and the spreadsheet will be somewhere here or here, I don't know. I'm gonna put the spreadsheet somewhere, and you comment down below whether the numbers are correct or misleading. So I noticed that in most countries the amount is between $2,000 and $3,000. And do I beat this threshold? Well, not every month. I'm not an online millionaire or a guru who's gonna sell you a course immediately. I'm just gonna talk about my experience. To my defense, I can say that I don't work for anyone. I own my free time. I don't work remotely from home. I don't go to the office. I don't have a boss. And that's kind of the lifestyle that many people want. But not many people realize that the glass ceiling is still there, so it's very difficult to beat. Very difficult to beat. During my career, if you can call this a career, working for myself, being a solopreneur, I rarely beat $3,000 per month. But that's possible, that's possible. And analyzing my mistakes, I discovered that the biggest problem here would be unreliability. You cannot really rely on this income. You need many sources of income, like 3, 4, 5 small sources of income from different social media, different accounts to make a living. Because if you rely, for example, 100% on Facebook or YouTube, and your account gets shadow banned, or you get a yellow monetization sign for your viral video, and you rely on this money for living, you eating with this money, feeding your family with this money, well, that's gonna be a problem when last month you were earning like $2,000 and this month the platform pays you $200. So what are you gonna do about this? Obviously you're gonna go find a real world job and work 9 to 5 again. So in order to not fall into this trap, you're gonna make multiple sources of income. And how to do that? First of all, it's obviously better to have income from different social media platforms. But too many would be obviously difficult. If you spread in your time between Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and TikTok, you're not gonna make any significant amount of money in any of these platforms. So better concentrate on a major social platform. For me, this is YouTube, and start growing your major account, and then when income starts growing with the subscriber number, you just expand to other social media, repurpose your content, and following this advice, you will obviously hit the glass ceiling, just like I did, because I got shadow banned many times in many different platforms. Initially, I was making money with AdSense, with standalone blogs, journalist projects. So most money I made online, I made from text, not from the videos. But I've been making videos for more than 10 years. My mistake was relying on AdSense. So in the previous videos I explained why you shouldn't rely on AdSense and expect getting paid for viral videos. This is not a good strategy. This is my 10th YouTube channel, and every time I kind of made the same mistake. I expected to go viral, get millions of views and get money from internal monetization. That was wrong approach, and now I diversify. I put affiliate links in the description. I don't really expect to get millions of views, and my focus is on the quality of audience. So basically, I'd rather attract the audience from the same profile, so they keep watching video after video after video, then trying to get viral hits with various topics, and then nobody stays at the channel. So let's talk about the numbers game. So the real CPM is from $1 to $3. Many people expect that their channel will be viewed only by audience from first world countries, which is not true. Even if you speak in English, even if it's your native language, you're from America or England or Australia, Canada, since your content gets first views, you will notice that a huge portion of the views are coming from countries like India, Philippines. This makes CPM drop, because in these countries people don't make that much money, they don't have so much disposable income, so ads are really cheap. That's why even if you open your analytics and find out that you're getting like $10–15 CPM from American viewers, your total average CPM is gonna be under $10. Probably something around $3–5 if your topic is educational, and $1 to $3 if your topic is entertainment for mass audience. So obviously we can take a calculator and divide $1,300 per month to $1, for example, for 1,000 views, which is mass market audience. If you have viewers mostly from India, Philippines, Bangladesh, Pakistan, countries like this, and you will quickly find out that you need to bring to your channel more than 1 million monthly viewers for long form content. If you're talking about shorts, 1 million views can bring you $20–30. So if you do the quick math, it's not really a sustainable business model, you know, expecting tens of millions of views for your shorts every month. For example, I've been testing shorts lately. I'm not really editing my shorts, it's more like lifestyle content, so sometimes I post 3, 5, even 7 shorts per day, and they're not really getting millions of views, and they're not really bringing audience. Yeah, new subscribers coming, but subscribers that mostly watch shorts, they are not interested in long form videos. So if you mix this type of subscribers on your channel, the view count on your long form videos may stack. If you really want to rely on a social media income, you need to choose a strategy. Either choose shorts and try to go viral every time and grow an account with hundreds of thousands of subscribers, which is, I think, not a great way to make money. Or be specific, choose a niche, make long form videos. That way you can repurpose your content in the future. If it's an evergreen content, you can take your long form video and make shorts in CapCut or any other editing software, and just post that shorts to second shorts channel on YouTube, or you can post on TikTok or Facebook, Instagram, whatever platform you want to try. So what this does, it minimizes the efforts that you have to make. Editing existing content is obviously not that time consuming like making new videos, but that's not the biggest takeaway from this video. The biggest takeaway is to diversify. Imagine you made a channel to earn money and you rely only on the AdSense monetization, and you start watching like how these big YouTubers make dozens and hundreds of thousands of dollars per month, and you're expecting to get like 10% of their income if you have 10% of views. You will quickly discover that it's not achievable. Why? Because big YouTubers rely on sponsorship. Yesterday I watched Fresh Jake Trent's interview. If you don't know, he's a big YouTuber with over 1 million subscribers, and he has several faceless channels. So he said his current numbers is over $300,000 per month from YouTube. But AdSense is under 30% of all income. So if he makes $300,000 of revenue per month, this means 70% comes from sponsorships, affiliate links, or digital products that he makes. And if you think about this from the advertiser's perspective, many big advertisers prefer to choose the pool of bigger channels where they can get the audience that they established as the target audience. That's why CPM on small channels may be even lower than on the mass market channels of big YouTubers. And you're obviously not gonna get some good sponsorship right away. Those managers who handle sponsorships, they only looking for some established creators with over 20 or 100,000 subscribers depending on the niche. So don't rely on sponsorships, forget about sponsorships, because anything with a flat fee, you gotta earn it first. And your first offers for sponsorships are gonna be basically the same affiliate links, which you can get yourself if you spend some time for research. So you're not gonna rake in money if you decide to rely on AdSense. You should obviously choose your niche and make a strategy to find some affiliate products that will resonate with your audience. And trust me, I tried affiliate links. If you choose the product that is really good for your audience, they can make more money than AdSense is paying you. So imagine that using this advice, this simple advice, just finding a product that resonates with your audience, you can double your income that you already have from AdSense, for example. And you can also monetize your audience by driving them into a paid community. For example, I have several channels, and recently I made a community just for fun. I make one post per month. I will not give a link for that because it's not in English, and I charge just $1 per month, and I already got 20 subscribers. The platform is called Boosty. It's very similar to Patreon, so you can just think about Patreon and plan to integrate Patreon in your strategy. The key takeaway here should be never post your Patreon link if you don't have a separate content from what you're already posting for free. It should be content for real fans that are ready to pay to go deeper into what you're normally saying, into your topic. Imagine this. I'm charging $1 per month, and I already got $20 per month. If I decided to charge, let's say, $5 per month, it would be $100. And all we need to do to get a US minimum wage is, for example, charge $5 per subscription and get 13 times 20 subscribers. That would be 260 subscribers. So if you create a community with $6-7 per month, which is affordable basically for everyone who speaks English, you can achieve the US minimum wage just like this. So I think communities are undervalued, and this market is growing like crazy. And if you really want to start a community where you can teach, go deeper into a topic, work with the real target audience of your niche, the best platform to do this is school. I'm not gonna repeat the sales pitch in every video, but basically I made this channel with a strategy to put the link in the description of every video, because I'm collecting only audience of content creators who are looking for the ways to improve their monetization and earn more money. So if you found this information valuable, just subscribe to the channel and go check the information in the description. Thank you.